DevOps is a way of working that is centered on the optimal methods of building, testing, and maintaining software. These approaches assist businesses in structuring work. They install tools, test in unison, and accomplish things quicker and better. While doing that, DevOps ensures that critical activities of continuous integration, combining changes together smoothly, and continuous deployment, pushing updates promptly, become the primary work of a DevOps engineer. Most organizations perceive the advantages of DevOps. What is a DevOps engineer? A DevOps engineer is responsible for ensuring that an IT company's systems function efficiently. They collaborate with developers to modify and maintain code. They collaborate with operations teams to make sure everything is functioning well. DevOps Engineer job description. A DevOps engineer has a very significant position in the success of a project. They assist with numerous things. They design and make key goals happen, such as customer satisfaction and productivity. DevOps Engineer job description, roles and responsibilities. A DevOps engineer has technical and management responsibilities. Good communication skills and the ability to work well in teams are essential. They bridge different elements of a project and result in satisfied customers. A DevOps engineer performs several tasks. He or she has to be capable in both tech and operations. Some of the most important duties of a DevOps engineer: customer and project objectives, understanding and requirements, developing, testing, and automated tools usage for enhancing IT systems, planning the work of the team and participating in project management. Key skills for a DevOps engineer. A DevOps engineer requires technical expertise in software development and operations expertise for maintenance and support. Computer science or technology majors typically possess skills for this profession. Experience comes with learning how to manage operations. You may also participate in training programs to develop a career in DevOps. Some necessary skills for a DevOps engineer are: Linux-based system experience, deep understanding of programming languages such as Ruby, Python, Perl, and Java, knowledge of how to install and maintain databases such as MySQL and MongoDB. Tools and technologies used by DevOps engineers. DevOps engineers bridge the gap between development and operations teams. They enhance collaboration, automate processes, and simplify software delivery. They employ a variety of tools and technologies. These enable them to work more efficiently, increase productivity, and control software applications effectively. Some key tools that DevOps engineers utilize in their line of work are discussed below. Version control systems, VCS. Version control systems such as Git, SVN, Subversion, and Mercurial allow teams to track code changes. They facilitate collaboration and keep a record of all changes. Git is widely used since it allows developers to work on multiple versions of code simultaneously. They can easily merge their changes as well. Continuous integration, C tools. C tools make it easy to integrate code from multiple developers into one project. They enable teams to catch and resolve issues early. Examples of widely used C tools include Jenkins, Travis C, Circle C, and GitLab C/CD. These tools aid in building, testing, and enhancing software speedily. Configuration management tools. Configuration management tools assist in automating the way infrastructure and software configurations are handled. Ansible, Puppet, Chef, and SaltStack are some examples. These tools assist teams in handling IT environments more effectively. They ensure everything is properly configured. Containerization platforms. Docker and Kubernetes revolutionized the way applications are developed and executed. Containers package applications along with all the required files. This way, they execute nicely on various computers. Infrastructure as code, IAC tools. IAC tools enable engineers to control IT resources using code. This is time-saving and minimizes manual labor. Some examples are Terraform, AWS CloudFormation, Azure Resource Manager, and Google Cloud Deployment Manager. Monitoring and logging tools for keeping applications up and running. DevOps engineers leverage monitoring and logging tools. The tools monitor system performance, detect errors, and resolve issues efficiently. Collaboration and communication platforms. Good collaboration is paramount in DevOps. Teams use tools such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Atlassian Jira to communicate in real time. They also post updates and effectively keep projects under control. Various career paths in DevOps. A DevOps engineering career has numerous specialties and directions. DevOps engineers may specialize in cloud computing, containerization, infrastructure automation, C/CD, continuous integration and deployment, security, or site reliability engineering, SRE. Depending on their skills, they can choose a career that suits their interests and aspirations. Leadership roles. After some experience, DevOps engineers have the opportunity to become leaders. They can work as a DevOps team lead, a DevOps manager, or a DevOps architect. They need to manage teams, make decisions, and improve DevOps processes in the organization. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is increasingly prevalent in DevOps. Organizations want DevOps engineers to work with cloud platforms. The most preferred are Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. They assist in making IT systems better. There are numerous options for DevOps engineers to expand their careers. They can gain expertise in cloud migration, develop software with the Cloud DevOps toolchain. A DevOps toolchain is a collection of tools utilized to automate and manage software development. DevOps engineers need to select and work with tools such as Jenkins, Git, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, and Prometheus. Continuous learning and certification. To increase in the DevOps profession, continuous learning is necessary. DevOps professionals must stay updated with new trends and technologies. They can do this by attending training, workshops, and online courses. Cross-functional collaboration. DevOps engineers interact with numerous teams such as developers, operations, quality assurance, security, and product management. Leadership and good communication skills can enable them to transition into solutions architect, technical evangelist, or product owner roles. Entrepreneurship and consulting. DevOps engineers with experience can begin consulting firms or tech startups. There are numerous opportunities in DevOps consulting. You can venture into cloud migration services, tool development, and SaaS, software as a service, solutions. Conclusion. DevOps training and skill development. We at ICertGlobal offer comprehensive DevOps training. Our courses assist aspiring engineers in enhancing their skills. The DevOps Engineer Master Program assists developers in developing skills in DevOps practices, including continuous integration and deployment, C/CD, process automation, configuration management, collaboration, and team management. It also covers essential tools such as Git,